Hey guys, today I received this changing table dresser for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice because it has a lot of space where to place all the things that you're gonna need, which I think that's gonna be really helpful. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit more in depth about it while I assemble it, okay? Let's go. First of all, I think that it's really nice that the instructions are really clear and that you get anything that you're gonna need to assemble it, all the screws, little pieces, and each of the pieces that you're gonna need to do this installation, which I think that it's great. It's also not that hard to do it. I could do it all by myself, but if you wanted, you could do it with the help of someone, and I think that it's gonna be much faster and easier assembly. But as I've said, you can do it all by yourself, which I think that it's really nice. This is a really versatile baby dresser because it can be used on different settings, whether it can be used in a bathroom, your bedroom, or even in your child's room. It also offers features such as a diaper changing area where you can even do some massage to your kid. You can have a cloth changing area, and when your baby grows up, it also can be used to display some plants, some pots, books, or even just to decorate your room, and you still have a lot of drawers and a lot of space where to storage your stuff, which I think that it's great. Talking about spaces where to store your stuff, you get a total of 4 different drawers, which different sizes between them. The bottom ones have more space above the other ones, which I think that it's nice. You get this one all alone upon the right side, and you get the top ones that are a little bit more slimmer, okay? But I think that they work perfectly. As I've said, this bottom one, it's a little bit more compact, and I think that it's also nice that you can attach it onto the wall so it doesn't tip over, which I think that it's really great. And overall, I think that it's really great. Would really recommend it. As I've said, it was easy to assemble it up, and I think it's gonna be perfect to place it wherever you need it, okay?